Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, gagawa po tayo ng Kenny Rogers Chicken Macaroni Salad. So gagayahin natin yung side dish ng Kenny Rogers. Kasi one of my favorite side dish from Kenny Rogers kasi yung chicken macaroni salad nila is hindi matamis, maasim. Pure mayo yung gamit po nila. So ito yung ingredients natin. Um, Ladies' choice mayonnaise, about 470 ml. This is not sponsored from Mayo. And then, one small bottle of pickle relish, about 270 grams. I-drain natin later. And then, 200 grams carrot cubes, salt for the chicken, and then another salt for our macaroni pasta, pepper for our dressing, and pepper for the chicken. And then, pineapple tidbits, dalawang can, around 560 grams yung total weight. And then 400 grams uncooked pasta. So first procedure na ating gagawin is to boil our chicken breast. So dapat na-season na to ng maayos with salt. Kasi sa dressing natin, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng anything na asin para makuha natin yung sourness ng mayo. Kasi Kenny Rogers is American style. Kaya siya maasim, which I like. Then pepper, and then enough water to cook our chicken breast. Enough water to cover. So ang ginagawa ko para mabilis, hot water. Same with my pasta. Nagpapakulo na kami sa electric kettle with hot water. Yan po. Salt and pepper lang. It's up to you. You can add some onions or celery stalk. But for me, just classic. Okay, everyone. So for the pasta, 3 liters of water according to package. And then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of rock salt except oil kasi this is macaroni salad. Kasi kapag naglalagay tayo ng oil, hindi kumakapit yung ating dressing. And then, according sa package, isi-simmer natin yung pasta around 8 to 9 minutes. So 3 liters of water with 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, on the other side, I'm going to blanch or boil our diced carrots hanggang maging tender po siya. So, let's check our boiled chicken. Yan. Malapit na po siyang maluto. So, ito na yung ating mga pinakuluan na pasta, palamigin, pinakuluan na chicken breast, and then boiled carrots. Palamigin muna natin bago natin sila pagsamasamahin mamaya. Okay, after cooling down our ingredients, let's add in our black pepper sa ating mayo. So wala na po tayong ilalagay na salt dito kasi pinalasahan na natin yung ating macaroni and chicken. May salt na siya. And then malinamnam na rin po yung ating mayonnaise. And then for the sourness, I'm going to add in pickles para medyo maasim. And then yung magbibigay naturally ng sweetness is from our pineapple tidbits. So, yan. O, diba? So, this is Kenny Rogers Copycat. So, i-drain nyo ng maayos yung pineapple syrup. So, everything goes in our boiled carrots, then shredded chicken, then our pasta, then chilled for about 4 hours before serving. At least 4 hours. So, ganyan lang po kabilis yung kanilang chicken macaroni salad. So, ganyan po dapat ka-creamy Yung sa kanila kasi balot na balot ng mayo pag siniserve nila, eh. Ino-observe ko po, dina-dissect ko siya 'pag kinakain. So, ganito lang kasimple at yung sa kanila pa nga hindi pa masyadong maraming chicken, eh, less. So, walang raisin, ganito lang po kasi sina-side dish pero ang sarap po niya. Okay, let's chilled for about 4 hours before serving gaya ng sabi ko kanina. Okay, everyone, this is now our finished product, our Kenny Rogers style chicken macaroni salad. Hope you like it.